Hello friends. This is an update about what is happening in the Holy Trinity Worship and Music Department this week. The church building continues to be closed, and so all children's, youth, and adult ensembles will not be starting up this month as they usually do, nor will they be meeting regularly. We are currently awaiting the release of results from a laboratory study of the human voice and musical instruments. This study is measuring the amount of actual aerosol transmission that occurs in music making. We will use some of this data to help us figure out the safest way for us to be able to make music together again one day. Thank you to those of you who have been participating in our virtual choir videos. It has been such a joy to see our musicians still participating in online worship. You will continue to receive invitations to participate in recording projects in the weeks ahead. I'd like to encourage everyone to try it. We particularly need more men's voices. We are thinking about ways to have safely distanced handbells, since this is the only ensemble in the church that doesn't have extreme aerosol concerns. If you are missing a musical outlet in this time when we are unable to sing, you may want to consider handbells. The only required skill is the ability to read music. Finally, I'd like to invite all HTLC musicians to a monthly gathering. We began Wednesday evening Zoom gatherings with only the adult choir this spring, but we would like to open up to all of our adult musicians. Our next gathering is Wednesday, August 12th at 7 p.m. It's a time for catching up with friends. Peace and good health to you all this week.